Hi, my name is Peter Brushy, Engineering Assistant at Detroit Speed, and today we want to show you our new line of Selecta-Speed Wiper Kits for GM B-Body. The GM B-Body platform covers the Biscayne, like the vehicle behind me, or your Impala or your Bel Air, or most GM full-size vehicles. Each one of our B-Body wiper kits will come with a wiring harness and switch, a module, a motor, and an adapter plate fully assembled, instructions, and all the hardware that you'll need to install our B-Body wiper kit in your car. All of our Selecta-Speed wiper kits allow you to run your wipers at 7 different speeds, 5 different delays, 1 low speed, 1 high speed. They also feature a wiper motor that is lighter and more compact than your clunky old factory motor. What's awesome about our early B-Body kit is how it's concealed underneath the cowl, unlike the factory motor, which used to jut out from here. Once our kit is installed, you almost wouldn't know it's there. Up top, you've got a CNC machine cap and a rubber O-ring that keeps water from getting to the motor. With our kit, you'll get a module that hides under the dash, as well as our new rotary switch. You'll reuse your factory knob and bezel, but replacements are available. We currently have the B-Body wiper kits available for 61 through 62 and 65 through 66 vehicles. If you have one of these vehicles and you're interested in buying our kit, please visit our website at detroitspeed.com or call us up at 704-662-3272. Additionally, we're looking to fill in the gaps in B-Body from 59 through 70. So if you have one of these vehicles and you're interested in upgrading your wipers, please give us a call.